All right, so something we do regularly is terminate into phoenixes. It's very easy, but for some reason I see people do it odd a lot, so I figured it's worth a video to show you properly what it's supposed to look like. So basically, these, all you do is you take a tech driver. If you spin this, it goes up and closes. Spin it the opposite direction, it goes down and opens. So to show you how we're going to prepare our cable, let's say for whatever reason we need a 3.5 on the other end of this port. So I'm just going to take a 3.5 cable, right? And I'm going to prep the end of the cable that will be terminated. This is going to go down there, something like that. And because it's a 3.5 and we only use the red, the black, and the ground, the white and the green are worthless in this instance. So we're just going to cut those out. The 4th and 5th conductors just aren't used. We're just going to remove them. All right, so now I have a red, a black, and a shield. You strip out about 1/8 of an inch. About 1/8 of an inch. Something that looks like that. And then you're gonna take it and put it into your Phoenix, but make sure that the ports are completely open. So a lot of people do this, where this goes in, that's bad. Bad, not good. What you want it to do is you want it to look like this, all the way in, right? The other thing to make sure is when you tighten it, you want to make sure you are not tightening on the sleeve of the jacket of the conductor. You want it only on the conductor itself. So when you put that in there, if it's the proper length, it should just touch the back and you tightened up and you're good to go. So it'll look like that, basically, when it's correct. Nice and firm. Couple turns. Last one. Nice and firm. Make sure it can't come out. Make sure nothing comes out, and take a look at it. And there you go. That's it. That's how you terminate a Phoenix.